My conclusion's been no since the beginning, so I'm going to share that conclusion. It's been vetoed.
Okay.
We needed to be able to print when they do homework. They're concerned that they're a little slow. I put one on that whole. No. Oh, this is a 16 to 1 ratio.
There. I like that. This is my 16th season.
So what can you do with this one that you can't do with that one?
I don't know, surprisingly, interesting. Because when the tray is down, it's
Okay. Well, there are two different brackets on the back here. Couple are carrying load.
Once I finish polishing the other frame, I'm going to grease up some gearboxes so we can put a drivetrain on this thing.
Alright, you're gently touching the edge there.
Like I said.
Hopefully you should be good at putting it together.
Alright. Yeah, let's do that one. Turn.
It's hard to show with eagles when you're
That's zero. Yep. Yeah, so that means it's good. And then we just want to make sure there's no broken cables in here.
Like a giant conglomerate.
Okay, yeah, now we can see it. Alright. Now.
Come on, the light bulb is on!
Something's working!
The light bulb is on!
Okay, now.
Can you put an image of a light bulb over his head?
Okay, now do it. Cable is loose. Okay, do it now. Alright, we're gonna get you a better cable.
If you have an Excel question,
Isn't that what robotics is all about, Ryan? Yeah. So just click on the left side for
Should the math should be...
I took a picture of Chase. You can post it. Nice work. Good job, sweetie.
So, do you think that this is hardened? See this right here? See the metal?
No. So you want to remount this camera.
Yeah,
So
and you've got no, you're not in contact here, and you're loose. I mean, you're totally loose right there.
Yeah. And at some point, you have to transfer how it's going to go up.
the transfer point be like right here?
Well, that's and that may
That's all
that could potentially make up for your dead space.
Just went over to the wood shop, Paul, and I just did it on the belt sander at the wood shop.
You don't know what diameter they drilled the hole at. That's going to make a difference on how much thread engagement you have.
Just bring your camera on.
Well, maybe we should talk about which one. Which one?
I'm not feeling masochist.
No, he put the bread.
Okay, right there.
Right.
we have the shaft, which has snap ring grooves on either end. And what these allow us to do is to retain the shaft. And I push it through. And I'm going to try to do the same thing on the other side while pushing it through. And then once I get it through, we're all good. Expand it and fit it over into the groove.
Okay.
It should snap in when I get into the groove.
Whenever you make parts, always make one extra. If it's Dana always.
Okay.
21. There's all these really good fundamental ideas. This is actually a little bit shorter. This more closely emulates the first generation Vex one that we built. This one wasn't quite to spec on that one.
I think it is.
Do where the chain breakers go. Take out two pieces at once.
So use something a little thicker than that.
Look, you're gonna disable it, right? You're gonna expect it to work, huh?
You disabled it the first time. I had nothing to do with that part.
Okay, I'll skip it.
Snazzy.
Okay. And then
Fits over the gear box.
we can do this one.
Like that.
Yep.
Voltage.
Well, we know how to do it.
All right.
Exactly.
You always need
And
an
that's why we
bumper.
build them in parallel.
First side.
Okay, you can run off one. Then you don't have to worry about it.
I could run it off one, but it was set up to be two. And it's just the way FRC legal.
And you can actually run it either way. If you set it up to two, just hook them on the right one, you can run one and just drive two.
Say that. No.
It is a scary thing. I would say Jason is a faster typer than me, so he helped me with a bunch of these.
You got sparks?
Murphy's Law, as they say in Ireland.
What's that?
Murphy's Law.
Yeah.
4.3.1.
Murphy's alive and well. It's not being asked to turn on the motor. So there's something more significantly wrong with it than that. I'm not sure why it's receiving the signal or what signal it's receiving.
You can always just flip it. Change the way the motors turn.
This is the buyer.
I would die if I said.